4 persons were killed in Tamil Nadu's Chennai, Theni and Madurai district, and over 60 houses suffered damage in the past 24 hours in the rain-related incidents. Greater Chennai corporations had deployed 23,000 personnel to clear waterlogging and the inundations of the subways. Chennai got some relief on Monday from the continuous rain, but many roads and areas in the city are under seats of water. The India Meteorological Department has forecast many rain for the cities and the nearby areas starting Tuesday. 4 people have so far been killed in the rain-related incident in Tamil Nadu. Meanwhile, in Chennai and its suburbs, sections of subways were closed on Monday and traffic diversions were implemented, giving commuters a harrowing time even as the civic workers locked to remove sleet and declogged drains. Fishermen have been advised to not venture into sea between November 9 and 12. Since the start of the northeast monsoon month, Tamil Nadu has recorded about 43% above normal rainfall. The IMD has issued a yellow alert for Karnataka denoting heavy rainfall in the 13th district till Tuesday. According to IMD statement, heavy rain will be caused by the cyclonic depression.